person pastes a private message into an AI chat box. The message remains visible in their chat history. Ever wonder what happens to your AI chats after you send them? Depending on the tool in your settings, conversations may be recorded, stored, reviewed, or used to improve the service. The good news is that a few simple changes can make everyday AI use much safer. Most people use AI like a private conversation. They paste messages, notes, work drafts, and even personal details, assuming the conversation disappears when they close the window. But your chats may remain in your account history or be stored by the provider. Depending on the service and your privacy settings, some conversations may also be reviewed or used to improve AI models. That does not mean you need to panic. It means you should understand what may be recorded before sharing private information. The big difference is this: helpful context is fine, but identifying or sensitive details are not. Names, addresses, account numbers, passwords, medical information, confidential work details, and full private conversations should stay out whenever possible. First move: open your AI tool's privacy or data controls. Turn off model training or data sharing when that option is available. You can also use temporary chats when you do not want a conversation saved in your regular chat history. Here's the safer workflow. First, remove names, numbers, and anything that identifies a person, account, or company. Second, paste only the small part you need help with, not the entire conversation. Third, ask for help in a general way, like, summarize this concern, or rewrite this politely. Fourth, review the result yourself before using it. Make sure it does not reveal private facts, make things up, or change the original meaning. People usually overshare when they are rushed, frustrated, or upset. That is exactly when you should pause, remove unnecessary details, and share less than you think you need. A good rule for any AI tool is to start general, then add only what is truly necessary. Remember, changing your settings can reduce how your chats are stored or used, but it does not make sensitive information completely risk-free. Remember, check your AI tool's privacy and data settings. Never paste identifying or sensitive information unless it is absolutely necessary. Review every AI output yourself before you use or send it. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. Stay smart, stay safe. What should we cover next?